Alright, YouTube viewers, here we have this 1886 I got from Miami for 10 bucks. Just a steal in my opinion. Let's go ahead and take a look at it real fast. That almost tripped over a view fan. The ornate detailing. Let's see, tag. Upside down so we can do this real fast. Here. There you go, limited edition. 100-year commemorative fan. Still a little dusty on there. I'm working on cleaning her up. Not sure if I'm going to install her anymore, if I'm actually going to sell her, what I'm going to do with her yet. Alright. That could be good. Should be good. Alright, so we're going to test her through her speeds. We're going to start off with low. High, medium, low. Really slow, stylish low speed, I love it. I think the high capacitor, well the capacitor for the high speed may have drifted because it seems like the high speed on this thing is the same as the medium speed. Or it's possibly wired wrong. I'm not too worried about it. Really does give off a classy low. So that's the low speed. Let's go ahead and get a medium. So off, high, medium. It just had a little bit of a wobble to it. Not much, nothing terrible. I'm not going to complain about it. I'm not going to worry about it. Medium speed. Got a pretty good breeze run already. Go to high. Low, off, high. No, high speed does go a bit faster. Oh, it actually does go a lot faster. My bad. Let's go ahead and take a look at it on high. It runs very quiet. Alright, let's go ahead. Tripod back. Around there. Alright, let's go ahead and do spin down. Probably gonna keep this fan. I was considering selling it because I could make a good amount of profit off of it. I think I'm gonna keep this one. I like the classic look, and it's technically kind of a collector's fan, so very nice. Just need to find a place to put it. this fan is reversible. It does have the reverse switch. So I got a camera pod. I'm probably gonna start working on getting better lighting. This lighting is good, but I need something more of a downlight. Uplight. So I might look into that because I know people have been complaining about that. Almost there. And just because it was a pretty good spin down, let's go ahead and just go to a straight hot. Has a spinner motor inside of that cast iron housing. So let's take a little bit of time at speed. Alright, thanks for watching.